Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve this 3 power 4 plus 4 plus times 7 power 4 plus 4 times 11 power 4 plus 4 by 5 power 4 plus 4, 9 power 4 plus 4 times 13 power 4 plus 4 with a single formula without using calculator. So let's start with the today's video solution. So we have a formula x power 4 plus 4 if it is given. So we can write this as x minus 1 whole square plus 1 times x plus 1 whole square plus 1. So I'm going to use this formula here. So in first case x is 3. So we can write it as 3 minus 1 whole square plus 1, 3 plus 1 whole square plus 1. Similarly, 7 minus 1 whole square plus 1, 7 plus 1 whole square plus 1. 11 minus 1 whole square plus 1, 11 plus 1 whole square plus 1 by 5 minus 1 whole square plus 1, 5 plus 1 whole square plus 1. 9 minus 1 whole square plus 1, 9 plus 1 whole square plus 1. 13 minus 1 whole square plus 1, 13 minus 1 whole square plus 1. Now 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 square plus 1. Here 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 square plus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6 square plus 1, 8 square plus 1, 10 square plus 1, 12 square plus 1 by 4 square plus 1, 6 square plus 1, 8 square plus 1, 10 square plus 1, 12 square plus 1, 14 square plus 1. So we can cancel out this 4 square plus 1 with 4 square plus 1, this with this. So what is left? 2 square plus 1 by 14 square plus 1. 2 square is 4 plus 1 by 14 square is 196 plus 1. So final answer is 5 by 197. So this type of problem you can use with the simple formula without using calculator. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.